Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a review of the emerald bud plant and grow a garden berry update part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to go to my garden and I'm going to show you how the emerald bud plant looks like. Okay, this is the emerald bud flower and then I'm going to collect this flower. Okay, and you can only get one flower from one plant, but don't worry because it's a multi-harvest plant, so you can harvest it multiple times. And to get this emerald bud seed, you need to get the enchanted chest first. You can craft the enchanted chest here, or you can buy the enchanted chest in the very world. And if you want to enter the very world, you can wait until the very ring appear here, and it appear every hour, and it appear 30 minutes after the very event. Okay, and I'm going to check the base value of this emerald bud. All right, and then I'm going to talk to the NPC and I'm going to choose how much is this worth, and let's see the base value. Okay, it's not bad, and of course the value will be higher after the mutation, and the base value is around 20k. Okay, and okay guys, that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.